Hello students, today we are discussing about laws of chemical combinations. So formation of compounds from elements is governed by five different laws which are known as law of chemical combinations. So first law is known as law of conservation of mass. This was put forward by Anton Lewis in 1789. So Anton Lewis conducted lots of experiments for combustion reactions and reached a conclusion that in all physical and chemical changes there is no net change in mass. So he reached a conclusion that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. So this is known as the law of conservation of mass. So the law states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. So basis of the law is that experiment shows that in all physical and chemical changes there is no net change in mass during the process. For example, in combustion reaction, suppose some matter is burned. So if you combine all the masses before the reaction and after the combustion reactions, for example, after combustion reaction you will be getting ash along with energy, air, or for example carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, etc. If you calculate the before and after the reaction, so the total mass will be the same. So matter will be, total quantity of the matter will be either in the form of energy or in the form of mass, etc., will be same. So this is known as law of conservation of mass. The second law is known as law of definite proportion. This was put forward by Joseph Proust. So again he also conducted lots of experiments on different materials based on the composition, and he found that the composition of elements present in some material, for example cupric oxide or cupric carbonate, so the composition remains same irrespective of the sample is either natural origin or a synthetic origin. So he reached a conclusion that a given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of elements by weight. That is, irrespective of the synthesis method or origin, a given compound always contains elements combined together in the same proportion by mass. The proportion of the elements will be the same if the material is same, or the compound is same means that its constituents elements will be combined in a particular ratio or proportion. So this is known as law of definite proportion. For example, as an example, we can take the case with the water molecule. So in case of water molecule, the molecular mass we can calculate as follows. So it has two hydrogen atoms, so 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 2 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 into 1.0084 plus 1 into 16 units. So it will give you 18.016 unit. So this is the molecular mass of water. So if you want to calculate the percentage of oxygen by mass in water, so it is equal to 16 into 100 divided by 18.016. So it will give you 88.81 percentage of oxygen present in water. Same way we can calculate the percentage of hydrogen by mass in water, which is equal to 2.016, that is 2 hydrogen atoms, into 100 divided by 18.016, that is the total mass. So it will give you 11.19 percentage of hydrogen. So irrespective of the source, whether you are taking the water from lake, river, or the rainwater, make sure it is pure, or that is based on the method of preparation, etc., etc. So the composition of constituent remains same in any compound. So this is known as law of definite composition. So next law we will discuss in the next class.